Here's our formula. Y equals A times x minus h squared plus k. And here's what's really nice. Here is h, here is k in both those. And here is an x, and here is a y. So all I'm going to do is this. I need to find A, so I'm going to go up here and plug these four numbers in, plug it in, plug it in. So as I go to the first one, y in the first problem is what? 0. So 0 equals A, I don't know. X is -1 minus, now technically it's minus -2 because that's the h value, squared plus k, which is technically plus another what? Negative what? 2. Too many signs here. That's the same thing as just a what? Positive 2. And this would be the same thing as just a what? Minus 2, right? That might be a little easier to see. So what's, first off, come here, order operations. What's -1 plus 2? It's 1, right? Square the 1. What's 1 squared? 1. So I have 1a. Do I even need to write the 1? No. Minus 2 equals 0. What would I do now? Oh, I have minus 2 right here. This minus 2 carried right there. So I have a minus 2. Add 2 to each side, right? So 2 equals what? A, right? So here's the answer to the question. Write it in standard form, right? So here's my answer. Y equals, what's A? 2 times x minus what? Negative, because h is what? -2, right? So minus -2 would make it a what? Positive 2 squared. And the k is just a what? Minus what? 2. All you really have to find is a, and then what? Plug it back in, all right? So now I'm going to do the same thing with number 7, okay? 7 is going to be the same thing. So, you know, instead I'm in this nice format here, I'm in teacher mode. I'm just going to kind of I'm a little cheater. What did I do? What's my y now this time is what? 4. I don't know a. My x is what? -2. My h is now this -5 minus -5. I'm just going to go ahead and write it as what? Positive what? 5 has. And if you want, that's the same as what? 2 point what? That might make it a little easier to see, right? And then I have what? Minus what? 3 what? Fourths, right? Correct? So here's what's really cool. What's 2 minus 2.5, or 2 plus 2.5? Negative 2 plus makes it a 0.5. Or 0.5 is the same thing as what? 1 what? Half. I square that, right? I'm going to leave that minus 3/4 alone. I still have this 4. That's the same as 1/4 a minus 3/4. And you know, how many of y'all like fractions? Like, nobody really does, right? Can I get rid of the fractions? Yeah. What happens if I multiply everything by 4? Both sides by 4?
Then it takes out the bottom.
Yeah. That makes it 16. Fraction goes away. Fraction goes away there. A minus 3. So what would I do to get A? Add what? 3 to each side. So what's A equal? 19. So when I come over here, y equals, what's A? 19 times x. And instead of, it's not the h, not minus, it's opposite, so it'll be what? Plus what? 5 has, right? Squared. And minus the what? 3/4. Notice the k is already given to you. The h is already given to you, right? In the problem, all we have to find is what? A. And then we have the answer. All right? That's it. That's all the harder it is.